Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Dryland Dragon Boat in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, there is a new challenge which is called the Dryland Dragon Boat Challenge, and you need to drive a Dryland Dragon Boat guys to collect points. And most players guys are so confused on how to drive or how to use this dragon boat. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can drive it. Okay, let me go back to this menu, and there is a tutorial video that you can watch from here, and this is step by step to use the dragon boat. When rowing a dragon boat, tap the left paddle to move the boat forward left, and tap the right paddle to move the boat forward right. So there will be a paddle, and change the camera direction to correct the boat's heading. And then rowing the dragon boat consumes energy. Driving while riding restores the rower's energy. Okay, and now I'm going to start the event and show you how we can drive it. Okay, to drive you need to sit here, and then you're going to start riding like this. Just tap the pedal, make a smooth movement like this. If you want to turn left, you need to rotate your camera. For example, I'm going to turn right, so I'm gonna rotate my camera to the right side, just like this. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna turn. Oh, let me turn right. Okay, yeah, just like this, guys, and make a smooth movement. Don't rush. Just take it slowly, especially if you are a newbie. Oh, I'm trapped. Sorry. Yeah, just like this. Use the camera movement. I mean, you can rotate your camera. Yeah, like this. I'm still a newbie, guys, so I'm still trying to write it properly. And yeah, just like that. Okay, guys, and that's how you can use the dragon boat in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.